Spicy Mandarin. Panda sneeze.
哎呀，好像感冒了，真难受，还一直流鼻涕呢。不行，受不了了！
哇，什么情况？吓得我半死。
Wow, that's a big sneeze.
哎呀，好像感冒了。
好像 means seems like. 感冒 to catch a cold. Seems like I caught a cold.
真难受，还一直流鼻涕呢。
难受 means uncomfortable. 一直 means not stopping. 流 to flow or run. How uncomfortable. And my nose won't stop running.
不行，受不了了。
不行 literally not working. 受 to endure. It's not going to work. I can't endure it. What a sneeze. But maybe I should stay away.
哇，什么情况？吓得我半死。
吓 means to scare. 半 half. It scared me half to death. Poor girl. Well, take care, little panda. But I've got to go. Sign up today on spicymandarin.com. And when you get serious about studying Mandarin, go to www.chinesepod.com.